So now we are going to learn how to create user-defined function based already on pre-coded ifs function that we can use to create any opportunity or any calculation we are looking forward in our everyday work. I'm going to share with you one example that is going to be concatenate ifs function. This is going to be an easy example. We're having action log with list of actions, their due dates and responsibles, and we're having the date of the next meeting that's happening today. I would like to receive in F2 cell name of people who have actions before the meeting. Probably you have already noticed several of them. This is going to be Olivia, Ethan, and Emma, but we would like that the function will confirm it here. How to create it? First, we are going to select the regional maxif function and insert it in the same module afterwards. Now I would like to change the name of our new function. It's going to be CONCATIFS. And as you remember from the logic of the whole function, we need also to change it into the function returner and error handler. In terms of the logic of the calculation, we are going to concatenate names if a condition range fulfills the conditions. So nothing's happening changed. However, we are going to start not with a specific value, but we are going to start with a blank line. That is, can be provided by adding two parentheses. The next one, we are going to delete everything that we have in calculation part, and we are going to recreate it from the beginning. First, I would like to make our temp value equal to temp value, and we need to apply here ampersand because we would like to concatenate analyzed value. You have probably noticed that we are missing the separator. So I'm going to create it in the following manner. If temp value is not equal to blank line, then temp value equal to temp value and comma. Why I have created it this way? If we are going to have it done for the first time, we need to skip this step. And as you can see, we are also having if statement in one line, so there is no need for and if statements. Another point that you probably have noticed that we have also deleted the change control trigger that we are using to return the accurate value of the calculation. So therefore, I need to add it here and to make its statement true. Time to check. I'm adding equal sign, adding only few symbols, and we can see that function is already available here. So, range to analyze is going to be the names. First condition range is going to be due date. And now we are looking everything that's less than this specific date. So now we can see that Olivia, Ethan, and Emma are on the list to provide updates from. If we are going to change the time for 1 week, let's take 28, we probably are going to see a much longer list of the people for us to provide an updates. So this is the way how to create user-defined ifs function. If you found this video useful for you, don't forget to like it and subscribe not to miss new videos. Cheers!